everybody, it's Brandon. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining me again for another skincare vlog. Actually just got done filming a vlog on blue light. I published that a week ago, but I just finished filming it today. You probably saw I was wearing these gloves. I've been wearing these gloves off and on for the past year or so. They are UV protective gloves that I got on Amazon for like $10. It is the Melody Susie gloves. I really like these. Your fingertips are still exposed to UV, but I like to wear these just to protect the tops of my hands because they see a lot of sun and a lot of UV, and it's actually, your hands are a little bit thinner in terms of the skin texture and density, so they're more prone to damage and aging, and there's really not a lot of things that you can do to treat aging on the backs of the hands. It's also prone to sun damage and melasma and hyperpigmentation, so it's definitely prudent to be wearing some sort of protection, if anything, sunscreen on the back of your hands. But today I'm actually going to be reviewing a product that Gleamin had sent to me a couple of weeks ago before the Christmas holidays, and it is the vitamin C clay mask with turmeric and aloe vera. It says this instantly enhances your skin for a luminous bare-faced glow, and it has turmeric in it, but it says it's stain-free. So we're gonna actually test this in this video, see how we like it or how I like it, and I'm gonna go through the ingredients and really look at the research behind the ingredients and see if it is a good fit for the skin. But before I begin, please hit the like button down below. It really helps me grow my channel and reach more people, and I really appreciate it. And definitely stick around, hit the subscribe button down below as well, hit that notification bell, stick around for future videos. I post skincare videos every other day, so Monday, Wednesday, Friday, as well as a weekend vlog on Sunday. I'm thinking about actually posting another vlog on Saturday if I can get my life together, where I'm just basically going throughout my whole week 5 minutes at a time every single day and then posting it all on Saturday. I don't know if you would like that. But yeah, like I previously said, Gleamin, the company who makes the turmeric vitamin C clay mask, they sent me this product for free to review on my channel. They're also sponsoring this vlog, so thank you, Gleamin. So I've been using this off and on. I use it probably once or twice a week, and I can give you a fairly honest review of what I think about it, just how it reacts with my skin, as well as the potential health or potential skin benefits based upon the research that we have available. So one reason I tend to not go for clay masks. I used to use just pure clay masks a few years ago, but for my skin type, I'm not very oily, so clay masks generally dry my skin out, and I try not to use them. I think that people with oily skin can definitely get away with using a clay mask because it helps to really reduce the sebum production, and the oil on your skin just helps to wipe it away. But yeah, for me, I just don't like to, I think the clay mask that I was using before was just basically like a bentonite clay mixed with water, and that was extremely drying for my skin. I definitely don't recommend that for people with dry skin. But this Gleamin vitamin C clay mask actually comes already emulsified with some natural oils as well as hydrating ingredients that doesn't really leave your skin dry like a normal clay mask, which I really, really appreciate. Now, the clay mask is yellow, like I said before, and it's in part thanks to the turmeric, which is a highly anti-inflammatory and antioxidant rich ingredient, the turmeric root. I think I've spoken about turmeric before on my channel, but I like to put it in my smoothies for the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant component. And for the skin, it may potentially have some benefits in terms of helping to reduce free radical damage, reactive oxygen species produced in the skin in response to UVA, UVB, the UV radiation that we see from the sun. But yeah, it is yellow. It kind of looks like mustard, like you're slathering mustard on your face, but it doesn't smell like it. It actually has a pleasant aroma. It is fragrance free, but it does have some oils in it that do impart somewhat of I think it's like jasmine essential oil as well as bergamot essential oil. If you have sensitive skin and you can't really do any sort of fragrant oils, then it's best to find a clay mask that is also hydrating, that doesn't have those fragrant oils in here. But for me, for my skin type, and just generally speaking, I think most people can handle it. Now, this product is marketed as something that can help enhance your skin for a luminous appearance as well as reduce acne. And one of the key ingredients, you could probably hear something, it sounds like water running. It's my garden that's just started watering itself. It has an Australian clay in it. It's a white Australian clay as well as a yellow Australian clay. So that also helps to produce that rich yellow color in this clay mask. And these clays really help to trap any excess oil that your skin may produce. So again, people with oily skin can definitely do really well with clay masks, but this one in particular, because it doesn't really dry out your face to the extent that a normal standard clay mask does, where you're just taking a powder and you're combining it with water. But the claims of this product also says that it helps to reduce acne as well as dark spots, so hyperpigmentation on the skin. The best thing to help reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation is to really wear a broad spectrum sunscreen throughout the day, in addition to adjunctive measures like this. I think something like a tinted sunscreen that has iron oxides that can really help to drive down and reduce the effects of blue light or visible light exposure on your skin that really drives hyperpigmentation in the skin. Particularly with people with darker skin tones, I think that's probably your best bet long term. Again, in addition to adjunctive measures like face masks like this. One ingredient that it has in here is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a very soothing, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant rich. There's some research suggesting that aloe vera, the topical as well as the oral ingestion of aloe vera, may help to increase collagen production in the skin, which is potentially helpful for anti-aging purposes. There's also a mix of different oils in here, like castor oil, as well as sweet almond oil, which is a fairly anti-aging, it has anti-aging properties in the sense that it can potentially help prevent UV-induced damage to the skin and collagen degradation that subsequently happens after your skin is exposed to UV and the sun. So sweet almond oil, castor oil, these have extreme emollient properties that can actually are part of the moisturizer spectrum, if you will. So moisturizer is something that contains humectants, which help to bind water to the skin, as well as occlusive agents, which help to provide a barrier on the skin surface to prevent transepidermal water loss. And also the emollient factors like the oils in here help to really smooth out the skin surface and provide a luminous, smoother, youthful appearance. There are also some fruit and flower extracts, which again may be potential sources of antioxidants. Antioxidants help to fight free radical damage that is produced in the skin, in the body, just through normal living, but also in response to sun exposure and UV damage. And I mentioned previously, it has turmeric root extract in it. Turmeric is a highly anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich root that is potentially helpful for skin health and fighting off free radical damage produced by the sun and sun exposure, UV exposure. So here's just a video of how I apply the mask. I tend to just use the applicator that they provide you. They provide you a nice little brush with their name on the handle. So here's some tips on how to use the products. Basically the aftercare. You want to make sure that you are rubbing it on gently and you're not tugging at your skin. It is a moisturizing clay product, but it is also on the thick side, so it's very easy to be over-eager and to pull at your skin. So be very careful, do it very gently, just around your skin, making sure not to get the skin under your eyes, because that's a lot thinner and a lot more prone to damage. So just making sure that you're covering your forehead and just around your face. You don't generally need your neck. You don't want to have to scrub that away, but yeah, just rub it gently all across your face, avoiding the eye area, avoiding the neck if possible. And for me, I just like to keep it on for about 10 minutes. Anything more than 10 minutes is just going to be too drying for me. Clay masks in general, I don't have oily skin, so I tend to just leave them on for about 10 minutes, and that's sufficient for me. I use it maybe once or twice a week. I try to max it off at once a week just as a spa day for me, because again, I don't want to be stripping off many oils or moisture from my skin, but I want to be experiencing the benefits from the ingredients that are in this product at the same time. So I think for most people, 10 minutes will be more than enough time to experience the benefits while not stripping away the natural oils in your skin. And you want to make sure that you are rinsing off with lukewarm water. Try the double cleanse method where you are using an oil on top of your skin. I like to use sweet almond oil. I just like to rub it on top of the mask after it dries a little, after the 10 minutes is up. I rub it on the mask, and just the oil really helps to break up any of the dry matter, any sunscreen or makeup that you may have on your skin. You wash that off first, and then you go in with a hydrating cleanser, soap-free cleanser that you can just apply on your face and rub gently and just wash it off with your with lukewarm water in the shower. Try to avoid scrubbing it with a wash rag or a cloth because that's really going to damage your skin barrier. It's going to create little micro tears in your skin, which can contribute to skin dryness, and as well as just impaired skin barrier is not good for the protection of your skin. Your skin's an organ, so you want to treat it very gently. Yeah, so just avoid scrubbing it at all costs. And then when your skin is still damp after you've washed the clay mask off of your face, go ahead and apply an oil-free, fragrance-free moisturizer I like the Ordinary, the Deciem The Ordinary moisturizer. I like to apply that just on my damp face after I've cleansed my face because that really helps to create a film on your skin and prevent the evaporation of water. It helps to really trap the moisture in your skin. Yeah, so follow up this mask after you've rinsed it off with a fragrance-free moisturizer just to help trap that moisture in your skin. I like the Ordinary, the Deciem The Ordinary moisturizer because it's fragrance-free. It has some ceramide precursors in it that may be helpful for the skin. But yeah, just make sure that you are moisturizing right after so you're just improving the hydration qualities. Now overall, I like masks. I like to use them on like just sort of self-care spa days that I have for myself, but I generally like hydrating masks. This one is sort of a mix between hydrating as well as helping to reduce any excess oils or sebum on your skin. So yeah, I really like this mask. I'm interested to see the effects that it may have in the long term. I'll definitely do a follow-up video with you guys just so you can see, if I've experienced any progress with my skin or any noticeable benefits. I know that there are a lot of people out there who use this who may have acne or some type of skin, redness or oiliness that have said that they've experienced benefits from it. So I highly recommend you going on YouTube and looking up other reviews of people who are using this, particularly for things like melasma or hyperpigmentation, because supposedly it's supposed to help with dark spots and hyperpigmentation. I don't have any of that, so I can't speak to that, but there are other reviewers who are saying that this actually really does help. So thank you for joining me with this review video. If you liked it, please hit the like button down below. Definitely stick around for future videos. Hit the subscribe button as well. Thank you, Gleamin, again for sponsoring this video and for sending me this mask. I'm really excited about it. Can't wait to use more of it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.